Hello. Alright guys, so I'm going to be using the Just Peachy Mattes palette for this tutorial. I'm going to start off with the shade Fresh Picked, and I'm just going to put that on a fluffy brush and apply that to my crease. Next, I'm going to take this yellow shade Ochre from my Sephora Pro palette. Just take any yellow shade that you have and just apply that above the shade you applied before, just to warm up the look. I just really love adding yellow to my looks recently. I just feel like it just really warms up the look, and it just, I don't know, it just makes it look really pretty. Then I'm going back in with Fresh Picked and just blending those two shades together. Next up is Peach Punch. This color is very intense. It's super beautiful. And I'm just focusing that on my outer V, and then whatever's left over on my brush, I'm bringing it in to my crease. Just to blend everything together and intensify the outer corner a bit more, I'm taking Peach Punch and Fresh Picked and just applying that to my outer corner again, and just really blending that in and just intensifying that outer corner. And yeah, then I'm going in with the peach butter and applying that as my brow bone highlight, and I wanted it to be a little bit brighter, so I went in with peach meringue and just applied that over top. Now it's time to cut my crease. I'm doing a half cut crease, and I'm just using my Too Faced concealer, which is amazing, by the way, and definitely recommend it. I'm going in with peach butter, and I'm putting that over top of the concealer just to set it down, and just, yeah, apply that wherever you applied the concealer. And then I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter. I think that is Forever Young, and I'm just putting that on a flat brush and just applying that over top of the peach butter, and I'm just blending that in. I did end up wetting my brush a little bit just to intensify the shimmer, and then I'm going back in with Fresh Picked and Peach Punch and applying that to the outer corner once again, just to blend it all together and it all looks seamless. Then on a tiny thin brush, I'm taking Fresh Picked and just running that along the edge of where I put the concealer. I don't know why, it just makes it look way better. And yeah, it just, I don't know, it just makes it look it just makes it look better, so just do it. All right. Then I'm taking this Perfecting Vitamin C brightening serum stuff, and I'm just applying it to my skin, and it just really brightens up your skin and just makes it super duper soft. And then I'm taking the Too Faced cooling primer, something like that. I don't have it in front of me, guys, so I don't know the exact name, but I'm just priming my face with that. And I'm taking the Smashbox Photo Finish primer and just spraying that on my face. And then for foundation, I'm using the Superstay foundation by Maybelline, and then also the Fit Me foundation by Maybelline, and just applying that all over my face with a beauty sponge that is from Shop Miss A. That's only $1, you guys. I always talk about the sponge. I will leave the link down below. And I got this new concealer from Too Faced. It's their new one. It's amazing. It covers my dark circles, and it's so good, you guys. Then I'm going in with my Too Faced Peachy Matte Powder, translucent powder, and I'm just baking my face just so that my foundation stays put, my concealer stays put, and my makeup just lasts all day long. I'm going in with Fresh Picked and just aligning my lash line with that, and then I'm going to go in with Peach Sangria, I'm pretty sure, yes, and applying that on my lash line as well, just to add like a pinky kind of look. But I don't bring it all the way, I just focus it on the half, that half right there. Oh my god, this video, I cannot talk. Okay, then I'm just dusting off all of the powder. And as you can see, my face looks super duper smooth. And for contouring today, I'm going in with the Wet n Wild contouring duo in Dulce de Leche. And just to sharpen up those cheekbones, I'm just going in with translucent powder and just sharpening up my cheek contour, and then I just brush it away with a clean brush. For blush, I'm taking Milani's Romantic Rose and just applying that to the apples of my cheeks. I'm just going to go ahead and spray my face again with my Smashbox primer water, and before that dries, I'm just going to go in and highlight my inner corners with this new highlighter that I got from Shop Massé. It's called Blissful. And yeah, then I'm going to go in and highlight my cheekbones and my nose with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. And I just used Glow Getter and 143, and I'm just applying that wherever, you know, I want to be highlighted. For my liquid lipstick today, I'm taking Wet n Wild's Give Me Mocha liquid lipstick. This lipstick is so beautiful. I love it. Then I'm just putting my earrings in to finish off this look, so I look, you know, presentable. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry it was kind of a mess and all over the place, but I tried. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah!